Hello guys! As you remember guys, we opened a lot of Journey Together Battle Partners last time. And for today's video guys, we will open another box. So hopefully guys, today we can get that Clefairy SAR that we are chasing for a very long time. You can see that guys in our previous video guys, I have a lot. I have super many videos already regarding this battle partners, and I really hope we can get our cheese card for today. So without further ado, guys, please, before anything else, guys, please subscribe to our channel. Please subscribe to our growing channel, guys. We are near to 4,000 subscriber and we are near to 1 million views. So hopefully, guys, we can reach it within this year. Actually, I am not expecting a lot in my YouTube, guys. Actually, my main business is the Daily Dose of Magic, which is our Shopee shop, and it's been growing. It's growing dramatically, guys, because of all of your support, of course, of our customers. And I'm really thankful to those people who trusted us and, of course, who helped us on this journey. So thank you so much, everybody. And hopefully today we can get something big, guys. So most of the times I'm posting this in our Shopee shop. So, and some is put in our collection. So hopefully we can get that cheese card for today. Let's go. Let's go. Ooh, again, Snorlax. I have a lot of Snorlax already. Let's go! Let's go! Ionos Kilowattrel. Let's go. I love this card. Anyway, I have a lot of that card already. And as you can see, guys, in the normal cards of how we say of battle partners, there's the trainer is beside that Pokemon. So I really like this set, even though it's normal card only. There's a lot of going on this set. So I believe in a long run, guys, this set will be will age well. So probably it will become one of the most expensive sets. So like the 151, and as you know, there's low supply and demand. So every time Pokemon is stop printing or reprinting these sets, the value of these sets will increase significantly. So if you are like me, card collector and card seller, oh, Volcanion SR, let's go. Let's go. Actually, we have a Volcanion SAR. You can see that in our Shopee shop. That's not bad, but actually guys, it's not our it's not our chase card. Oh my god. So if you get already SR, then the chance that you get an SAR is super extremely low. So probably we'll get another 2 AR and then that's it. So if that's the case, then our target today is to get the Treasuram, Ens Reshiram card. So I hope I can get Ens Reshiram, guys, because otherwise this one will not be profitable, because the Kilowattrel, Ionos Kilowattrel is very hard to sell. And it's selling around 20 ringgit. So we will lose on that. And for that Volcanion SR, probably it's 20 to 30 ringgit only. I cannot make it a bit higher than that. If you will make it higher, then you will sell your card for a very long time. So if you are a card seller like me, so you always wanted to get those. Oh, okay. So this card is a bit underrated, but it's really not that much good also. So this is also less than 20 ringgit. So it's not a good AR. It's not bad, but it's not good. So yeah, probably we'll get another AR. Not a bad hit, not a good hit. Actually, if you are new to Pokemon, I would suggest you open Journey Together or Heatwave, guys, because Heatwave hits is really nice. I love that Heatwave artworks. You can check guys, the artwork of that card set is really nice. I think it's better than Journey Together. And the Pokemons there is, how I say, is more popular. The Typhlosion, what else? Ooh, Salamence. Nothing guys, nothing. Okay, 5 minutes and last packs. Probably we'll get another AR. I think we will get another 1 or 2 AR. Hopefully 2. Hopefully 2 guys. Oh, again! You cactus. Cactus motherfucker. I already got so many of you. Oh my god, this box is not profitable guys. We only got one sellable cards, which is Dionos Kilowatt-Rel. And Volcanion SR is not really nice actually. Even our Volcanion SIR, which is selling for a very cheap price, is really hard to sell. Oh my goodness, Wailord. I don't think... Oh my god, this is bad. This is bad. Wait, how many? But I can open one more. Reshiram. I can open one more box later. Okay. We can open one more box, guys. Ah! What the hell? Only 3 AR. Only 3 AR, guys. What a very bad luck. Reshiram, Cactus, Salamence, EX. Okay. Okay, Volcanion SR. Ionos Kilowatt-Rel. That's it. Hey, only 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 3 AR only. So that's all guys. Not a good box, but yeah, that's all. Thank you so much. God bless and see you on the next one.